The Waqf Amendment Act 2025, a hot topic shaking up India's legal and political landscape, is set to take effect. This new law has sparked fierce debate, legal challenges, and widespread opposition. What is it all about? Why is it so controversial? Stick around as we break it down for you. On April 15, 2025, the Supreme Court is expected to hear a batch of over 10 petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025, a law that officially kicks in on Tuesday. Politicians, religious organizations, and activists are up in arms, claiming it's a direct attack on fundamental rights. But the central government isn't backing down. On Tuesday, they filed a caveat in the apex court, asking to be heard before any orders are passed. So, what's the big deal? The petitions come from heavy hitters like the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Jamiat Ulema Hind, and political leaders from parties like the DMK, Congress, AIM, RJD, and AAP. Names like Asaduddin Owaisi, A. Raja, and Amanatullah Khan are leading the charge, arguing that the amendments threaten Muslim rights to manage their own religious endowments known as Waqf properties. According to the AIMPLB's spokesperson SQR Ilyas, the law is arbitrary, discriminatory, and exclusionary. They say it violates Articles 25 and 26 of the Indian Constitutions. Those are the ones guaranteeing freedom of religion and the right to manage religious institutions. Critics argue the government is trying to take full control of Waqf administration, sidelining the Muslim community entirely. Meanwhile, the DMK's A. Raja did not hold back, claiming the bill was rammed through Parliament despite objections from the Joint Parliamentary Committee and other stakeholders. Over 10 petitions now sit before the Supreme Court, each echoing the same sentiment. This law doesn't just tweak Waqf management, it fundamentally alters it, and not for the better. With the Supreme Court hearing just days away, all eyes are on what could be a landmark decision. Will the law stand or will it be struck down? The stakes couldn't be higher. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the Waqf Amendment Act? For the latest updates, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Salar Digital.